This is Aaron with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I will be showing you guys how to repair the power button PCB that goes on the front of the console, right where the power button sits, right here. So this will fix any issues when you have with the power button not pressing, or with the eject button potentially not working because of this little ribbon connection here. So let's get into it. Pretty simple repair. First thing you're going to need is a T10 bit, a Torx bit. You're going to unscrew these two screws. And you're going to slide off the top cover here. Top cover comes off. We'll put it to the side here. Now you're gonna need to get a T8 screwdriver bit, and I like to unscrew them before I take off the ribbon. So you're gonna take the 3 T8 screws here. After the 3 screws are out, you're gonna pop this little ribbon cover. Just pops right like that, pops upwards. And then just be careful as you pull up. I like to pull up right here so I don't bend the board much. And you can just pull out the ribbon here. Once the ribbon's out, put that one to the side. And it's just a repeat putting it back together. You're gonna remove the ribbon cover. I actually like putting it in before. Once it's in there, you find the connection here. Sometimes you have to just wiggle it in, make sure it's all connected properly. Don't bend the points. And now that you're in, you can plug your console in to test it. Plug it in here quickly. It works, makes the ding. The light works. This would also repair the issue of the light not powering on your power button. So after that, I'm gonna screw the last 3 gold screws. They are all the same screws, so don't worry about mixing them up. Once those are in, got a new power button on there. So we'll grab the back cover again. Slide it on. And put the last 2 screws in. Switch back to the T10. And that is how you repair the power button PCB on the Xbox One X. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you think this repair is too difficult or have a more difficult repair that you would like us to do, feel free to send it into our repair center. We'll gladly fix it for you. And if you're looking for any genuine Xbox One X parts, we sell them all on our website, linked below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.